Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. This evening, early evening, we brought that up. There's the fountain over there, the famous fountain, and there's a few stalls just across the road, and one of them is the plastic lady. We're going to go and see the plastic lady. So earlier this year, guys, we went beach combing with the plastic lady, and we picked up lots and lots of stuff that the sea brought in onto the beach. Lots of debris and plastic things, all sorts of bits and pieces, and the plastic lady makes all sorts of things out of it with resin. So we're going to see what she made. So the stuff we found on the day, the plastic lady, this is a plastic lady.
Hello,
hello plastic lady. You made it into something special, didn't you?
Can you remember what we found and what we were going to...
Oh, it was some time ago. I think we found some tops or something.
That's a honey jar.
Did we find a honey jar?
Oh, honey jar.
Now you're going to find the honey jar.
All right, okay. Then well, let's start from the beginning anyway, over here. So, oh, this is nice, isn't it? It's a bowl. Very nice, but that's not the honey jar. Oh, we've got some bookmarkers. Oh, look at that. That is really clever. It's a wall hanging. Oh, mind I don't break it. Look at that wall hanging.
Beautiful.
That is wonderful. I like that. That's very good. And what I do like about your store is everything's priced, so you don't have to ask, which is very, very nice. Sometimes you get a little bit sort of shy, don't you? That's the word. Yeah. So you can see the prices, guys. We've got heart shapes there, nice little dishes. What we're looking for, I'm so...
A honey jar.
Oh yeah, I'm so into looking at all the stuff. It is amazing. I'm in a bit of a kerfuffle and I forgot what I'm looking for. Anyway, carry on through and we go over here. We've got some heart shaped stuff. Oh, look at that. Oh, I like that.
Fridge magnets they are.
Oh, they? Oh, yeah, so they are. Look at that. That's lovely.
And you've
Fridge
got coasters
magnets.
over there.
Casters.
Coasters, not casters.
Coasters. Oh, I like this. Oh, mind you don't break anything. Look at that. It's a wow. And inside we've got bottle tops. Half a whatever that was. What do you think that was? No idea. Look, what was that washed up in the sea?
Oh, it's off a children's watering can.
Oh, there you go, for watering can. And, oh, not sure what that is. Ah, that is a bottle top.
Bottle top, yeah.
And it's all in the little wow. A seal with bubble bath top, I think, and some sort of lid. That's got a lot in it, hasn't it? Look at all that inside that little seal. What else you got?
But this seal is quite good. If you feel this seal,
yes,
because some people obviously can't see, and autistic children like to feel things.
Yeah.
So if you feel the top on that.
Oh yeah, it's a bit.
So some things I do try and sort of make.
Oh,
so
1 minute, it's a rubbery.
Yeah.
Oh.
So inside it's got the rubber ball, and people can actually feel round that one as well.
Look, can you see?
Oh.
That is good, isn't it? That's very clever.
And this one.
What is that?
It's got sounds. So it's got one of the kids' balls out of a machine, and then inside it's got little bits of plastic and an octopus. No, not an octopus. Sorry, a starfish.
Starfish inside
so
there,
shakes.
and that's the little ball that you get out of a machine, isn't it? And
yep.
You get a little prize,
That's
and
right.
it's been washed up on the shore, and you picked it up.
Yep.
Now it's a beautiful. What is it?
Seal.
Little seal, yeah.
A seal.
Oh, wow, there it is, guys. There it is. Whoa. Now that looks a lot different from when we found it. So we've got some of the sand that was round it. What we got there?
That's a little kid's toy. It looks like an underwater adventurer, diver.
Yep. Yep, someone's lost that or
Yeah,
discarded it.
we've got plastic netting.
Yep. Oh, that's like plastic netting that you get your
Buckets
little
and spades and things.
buckets and spades, all sorts on there. Yep, and you've got a little spring, plastic spring.
That's, I think, off a pencil. Kid's pencil.
Yeah, kids' pencil at the top.
There's some bits of straw.
Straw
Plastic
right at the
straws.
back.
There's bits of bottle tops in there.
All sorts.
I put a little turtle in there because that's what we're trying to save, the turtles, by getting all this plastic out.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, and glass, broken glass in the top.
Oh yeah, we found loads of broken glass. Now is that sharp on the top there?
Nope.
No, it's not sharp. Oh, that's handy.
It's
then.
not.
No. There we are. And that's all
It's
full
got a
of
little
resin.
bubble on it, but it's not.
All full of resin. Excellent. That looks
I'll put that
really,
back
really
on.
good. So that's gonna go into the prize draw.
It is.
People have commented on the video when we went beach combing, and we had lots of comments, and we've got a list of people, haven't we? So apart from the lovely gifts that you can find on this amazing stall, you can purchase some Cyprus Insight merchandise. There it is here, and every single penny goes towards animal charities throughout Cyprus, including Ella's Blind Cat Sanctuary. Minimum donation of £5. Thank you very much.
Euros.
Oh, euros, that's the
in the wrong
word.
country.
Oh, wrong country. Euros, guys. So, minimum donation of €5. There's the fridge magnets on the post. That's clever, really clever. So we've got the fridge magnets. Hello. We've got slow beers in the crate for your fridge. And then we've got these lovely trays. Don't forget the lovely trays. Hello, how are you? Hello, everybody. Oh, we've got a crowd now. What's your name? And
Michael.
And okay, we're just doing a video at the moment. Actually, you guys might be able to help us. Right, so you're on the way to have something to eat, so I won't keep you too long. Right, so we went beach combing and we picked up a load of stuff, and this is the plastic lady, and she made this. It's a jam jar. It's a lovely jam. What's it, a honey?
It's a honey jar.
Oh, it's a honey jar, silly Billy. Anyway, it was a honey jar, and all the people that commented go into a prize draw. So these are the people. So we've got some witnesses here. There we are, guys. Have a look at the list. That's the list of all the people. You see that?
Karen White, yes.
Yeah, all these people. So you hold on to that.
Yeah.
And then this lovely lady, did I get your name?
Annette.
Annette, this is a random number generator.
Yeah.
It's on the phone. All you got to do is press that.
The blue bit.
Yeah. Go on then.
Number 9.
Number 9. Right. Who's the winner? Number 9.
It's Yvonne Titterington, yes.
Oh, Yvonne Titterington. There we are.
Bit of a mouthful for me to say.
It is. So Yvonne, when you come down to Brodara, pick up your fabulous prize. Well, thank you very much for helping out, guys. Well done, Yvonne. There's your honey jar. Looks fabulous, doesn't it? Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go,
Put it in the comments below.